Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Plant and equipment pre-starts are crucial, especially on high-risk work sites, but are often completed hastily, leading to missed items, delayed maintenance, and risky assets being used. With Dashpivot and Sitemate, you can perform targeted and streamlined plant and equipment pre-start inspections to ensure your assets are safe to operate, receive timely repairs, and maintain their operational life. In Dashpivot, you can create a plant equipment pre-start template entirely from scratch, or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates across various functions. I run a search at the top here for pre-start, and as you can see, we have specific pre-starts for different type of plant and equipment available. You can preview any of these formats before adding them into your workspace, but keep in mind that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added. You can easily conduct a pre-start within any of the folders once your templates have been added to your account. Let's use the Crane pre-start checklist as an example. Our standard pre-start template includes text fields for the equipment and the operator's information, a date field, and then yes/no questions for the checklist. At the end, there's then a larger text box for additional comments or requirements with a sign-off at the end. Once saved, the form will then be sorted by the date input in the form like this. Pre-starts completed are then automatically compiled into a register view, where all information within the forms are laid out in the table format like this, with filters available at the top for you to narrow down for specific information. From here, you can then export these data as CSV or as PDF. Editing the template format is easy. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format your template to best suit your organization's needs. There are many different types of fields available for you to choose from, and you can rearrange any of these as you need. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be made required and even exclude informed cloning within the field settings. Conditional logic can also be applied to yes, no, and non-applicable questions and list fields to display more information depending on the answer selected. In this case, the final questions, we have a logic where when no is selected, extra information appear to be read. Pre-starts can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app. The pre-starts are organized in a timeline view just like on the web access. You can continue on the existing forms or start a new one using that plus icon. Once completed with your forms and you need to share a copy of this document with other people right away, you don't need to go back to your computer to export it. Instead, you can send this as a PDF file via an email directly from the app. If you dry hire out your plant and equipment, you can create a QR code to allow or require your customers to perform daily pre-start inspections with their phone or tablet, ensuring consistent and thorough checks, enhancing safety and extending the operational life of your assets. And this can be done through our Sitemate mobile app designed for your external users. Both Dashpivot and Sitemate apps are available on iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved, whether they're internal or external to your organization. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your plant and equipment pre-start data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage, analytics, or any other tools. Try Dashpivot for plant and equipment pre-start today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.